Right guys, we got a special one today. We're in Reading Station. Yep, Reading Station. We're not going to Burger King. We're not going to the food and wine shop. We are going to Subway. Blimey. Oh.
And cheese and toast as well. Thank you. Italian. Chicken tikka. Subway.
Would you like to make any meal there?
Oh no.
What's the price of the meal?
The retail drink is £2.20. The water drink is £2.50.
Okay, but I'm saying like, is the meal deal cheaper or is it cheaper to buy?
It costs £2.50.
More?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, no, just around the same. Yeah, that's fine.
Oh yeah, 12-inch Italian. Yeah, foot-long, 12-inch. Chicken tikka, please. Cheese and toast, yeah. I'm going to have a meal, yes. I'm going to do the macadamia cookie and a Dr. Pepper. Macadamia. Haven't got any. Haven't got any. What's the one at the top? Yeah. One below, one below, one below. No, down one. Macadamia. There you go. Okay. Yep, everything please. Well, maybe not jalapeno, just everything else. No jalapeno, yeah. Sweet onion, please, just a little bit, not too much. That'll do, yep, that's fine. That's it, finish. No, nothing else. To zap this. Yeah, we have the Dr. Pepper. Okay. Could you put it in a bag for me, everything, please? And I have the receipt as well.
Can I put it?
Yeah. Can I have the receipt? Thank you. I'll just grab the Dr. Pepper. Thank you very much. Cheers. Thank you. Ooh. Ah, there we go. So that's so that is Subway.